Tony Bach with Titan Applicators. This is the very first project that we've ever general contracted for someone else, and I'll give you a little tour. It is the client that's moving into this building owns a sticker and label printing business. We started by removing the roof because it was leaking like a sieve. Put a brand new foam and gravel roof. Once we got it all dried in and watertight, then we moved to the inside. It is a double T precast concrete building, and before we did any work to the inside, all of the precast concrete was untouched, unfinished, and so since we've got the roof dried in, we've spent the majority of our time painting the walls, and it really opened the space up. The next step that we have in this part of the building is to finish the concrete so that it meets all of the food requirements for the food labels that they print. We aren't exactly sure what we're going to be putting down. We have some samples that they're choosing from. These right here are primarily stain and seals, and then these up here are an epoxy type finish. I personally like this one right here. I think it looks sharp with all of the electrical conduit and electrical boxes that are on the wall. So we have a little bit more work to do in here, but then the office space that intersects the manufacturing side of the building is going to be a work in progress, and we're really excited about it. Right now, we have a few things exposed so that we can look at the MEPs, but the vision that the building owner has is going to be pretty cool. Previously, they had a drop ceiling with ceiling tiles in here. The client wants to open it up to maximize the ceiling height. Meeting with the architect next week so that they can come up with floor plans. All of the MEPs will have their designs, and then we'll work closely with the client to design a space, a modern space that will complement their service as well. So really looking forward to this one. It is something that we typically don't advertise, but we're in the position in Titan Applicators, we're in the position to start taking on projects like this. So stay tuned. We'll keep you posted.